Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And I got this Pokemon box and this Pokemon binder. And yes, I did trade for a lot of sheets today. And also, I got a lot of tech decks. You can't really see them, but I got like 12 of them. Anyway, we're gonna do an unboxing video for my tech decks. Not my tech decks. I'm gonna do an unboxing video for my Pokemon cards. So let me just get some scissors. Yes, guys. Alright, guys. The wrapping is coming off now. Let's see what cards we get. Whoa. Oh, no way. First of all, of course, we got these cards. Yes. These are goated. Oh, guys, we got so many packs. Alright, let's do the first pack. This pack here. Just put that there. First pack. Right here. Right now. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Oh. Alright. It's kind of messy. Sorry. So we got Hooper. That's pretty good. Oh no way. We got this Pikachu. It's hard to pronounce. We got Delight. We got Horsey. We got C-Dot. We got, oh, that's pretty good. Tynamino. It's not that good, but it's cool. We got Gasteron, I think his name is. We got Gloom. We have, we got this trainer, Fanta. I think it is. We got, we got this Energy. And I got this Wumble. Right, first pack of cards, pretty good. Second pack, Lost Origin. Alright, let's get it, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Alright, so we got an Energy. It's pretty good. We got a Hyruma. Oh, we got a Trainer Arc Phone. We got Rehachum. We got Subdo Wood. Oh, there's definitely something shiny back there. We got Electrolyte. We got Love Disco. We got Gilgar. We got another Womble. Oh! No way. We got Clandela. That's really good. It's shiny. Oh! We got another one. Shrifty. It's shiny too. The camera's not really picking it up though. Alright, second pack of cards golden. We got one more pack after this. And it's a super rare pack. So, we got Fusion Strike. This is pretty good. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got this Energy. We got this Crossiva, I think. We got this Mimicicid, I don't know what it's called. We got this Trainer Cindy. We got this Pokemon with 40 HP Tyamo. We got Meowth. Oh, there's something shiny back there for sure. Gosfoya, that's pretty good. Panpour. Oh no, no way guys, we got a Pikachu and an Eevee now. Alright, so we got Baristica, it's a fish. And I don't know what this is, but it's Valchicha. Alright, but you gotta subscribe for this pack. It's a super rare pack. Hang on, well, oh, it's the same as last time, but the picture's different, but it's super cool. This pack. You gotta subscribe for this pack, okay? Alright, guys. This is the last pack, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, last pack. We got a nice Energy. We got the Trainer Dancer. It's a bit hard to pick up on this table. Got Dancer. We got Pangoro. We got Graptola. We got Joran. Oh, no way. Yep, there's something shiny back there. We got Pensier. I think I might have him. We got Mignon. I think it is.